Welcome back to channel everyone. In this video I'm going to talk about how you can create scroll to section option in your SharePoint modern page using anchor tag. Normally in a SharePoint modern page we don't have this functionality as we cannot add our custom HTML in SharePoint modern page, but we have a workaround for this one using anchor tag. So let's suppose if I click on this section 2, I should be directly headed to a section 2 inside my page. And likewise I can add multiple breadcrumbs here, and that way we can directly navigate to that specific section. So I'll create a new section and we'll see how we can do that. I can add any kind of web part. I'll add a text web part. I'll paste some of the text here, and before that text I will add any heading, like I'm just saying section 3, and what we have to do is wherever we want this to be targeted, we have to convert that into headings. So either heading 1, heading 2, heading 3. So I'll convert that into heading 3 and we'll save our page. Once the page is saved, I'll navigate to this section 3. I just put my mouse over here and you can see this link option is available now, because I have made that as a heading, and I'll click this one, copy the code from the address bar, and because I have to target the section 3, I'll edit page now, and in the section 3 I will make this section 3 as an hyperlink and now paste it the address. So now you can see we have our entire page address, and after the ASPX we have this as section 3, which is redirecting us to that specific section which we have created using heading. Now save this one and save our page. Now if I click on section 3, it will take me to the section 3 directly. It's useful when you have all long pages and a lengthy page where you can create breadcrumbs like this, or you can create a simple navigation and you can scroll it to a specific section, and if you want to come back to the top you can add back to home button there as well. So this is the way you can navigate to a specific section inside your SharePoint modern pages. I hope you liked this video, and if you do like, don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you so much for watching.